Join me as I take on the challenge of maintaining my fleet like a pro and see if I can keep everything running smoothly. Hi, I'm Bishop Tucker. Welcome to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. When it comes to running a fleet of vehicles, maintenance is absolutely crucial. Not only does it ensure the safety of your drivers and the general public, but it also has a significant impact on your bottom line. Downtime due to mechanical issues can be a major expense, and it's essential to stay on top of maintenance to prevent those unexpected breakdowns. Regular maintenance can also help to extend the lifespan of your vehicles, which means you won't need to replace them as frequently. This can lead to significant cost savings over time. And let's not forget about the environmental impact. A well-maintained fleet is a more efficient fleet, which means it produces fewer emissions and is better for the planet. But I know that maintaining a fleet can be a daunting task, especially if you're new to it. There are so many different things to keep track of, from oil changes to tire rotations, and it can be easy to fall behind. But trust me, it's worth the effort. In this video, we're going to explore the importance of fleet maintenance, some common challenges that fleets face, and some best practices for keeping your vehicles in top shape. Fleets face a unique set of challenges when it comes to maintenance. For one thing, you've got to keep track of multiple vehicles, each with its own maintenance schedule. This can be a logistical nightmare, especially if you're doing it manually. And then there's the issue of budgeting. Maintenance can be expensive, and it's essential to prioritize your spending to get the most bang for your buck. Another challenge that fleets face is finding qualified technicians to do the work. If you're dealing with a large fleet, you may need to hire multiple technicians just to keep up with the demand. And then there's the issue of parts and supplies. You've got to have the right parts on hand when you need them, or you'll be stuck waiting for delivery. And let's not forget about the unexpected breakdowns that can occur. These can be a major expense, especially if you've got to tow the vehicle to a repair shop or rent a replacement vehicle while yours is in the shop. And then there's the downtime. Every minute that your vehicle is out of commission is a minute that you're not making money. Rising operational costs are another major challenge that fleets face. As fuel prices rise and regulatory requirements change, it can be hard to keep costs under control. And let's not forget about the environmental impact. Fleets have a significant carbon footprint, and it's essential to find ways to reduce that. In addition to these challenges, fleets also face the issue of compliance. There are a lot of regulations that govern fleet maintenance, and it's essential to stay on top of them to avoid fines and penalties. And then there's the issue of safety. If your vehicles aren't properly maintained, you're putting your drivers and the general public at risk. So how do you overcome these challenges? The key is to be proactive, stay on top of maintenance, and you'll be less likely to experience those unexpected breakdowns. Regular inspections can help you catch potential problems before they become major issues, and scheduling maintenance can help you budget for the expenses. One of the best ways to stay on top of maintenance is to leverage technology. There are a lot of great tools out there that can help you track your maintenance schedule, monitor your vehicle's performance, and even automate some of the more mundane tasks. From fleet management software to telematic systems, there are a lot of options to choose from. Another key is to build relationships with trusted suppliers and vendors. These can include parts suppliers, repair shops, and even fuel providers. By building these relationships, you can negotiate better prices and get the support you need to keep your fleet running smoothly. Regular training is also essential for your technicians. This can include everything from routine maintenance procedures to more complex repairs. By keeping your technicians up to date on the latest techniques and technologies, you can ensure that your vehicles are being properly maintained. In addition to these strategies, it's also essential to have a system in place for tracking maintenance and repairs. This can include everything from spreadsheets to specialized software, and it's essential for staying on top of maintenance and making data-driven decisions. Let me tell you about a fleet that I worked with recently. They were experiencing a lot of downtime due to mechanical issues, and they were struggling to stay on top of maintenance. We worked together to implement a regular maintenance schedule, and we also set up a system for tracking maintenance and repairs. We also trained their technicians on the latest techniques and technologies, and we helped them build relationships with trusted suppliers and vendors. The results were amazing. They saw a significant reduction in downtime, and their operational costs went way down. So what can you take away from this story? The key is to be proactive, stay organized, and leverage technology to stay on top of maintenance. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your fleet is running smoothly and efficiently. So to recap, proper fleet maintenance is essential for ensuring the safety and efficiency of your vehicles. By staying on top of maintenance, you can prevent unexpected breakdowns, reduce downtime, and even save money on operational costs. It's not always easy, but the payoff is worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your own fleet maintenance tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos on fleet management and maintenance. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Bishop Tucker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.